Right, so I know that this is the randomest video that I've probably ever posted, but at the weekend I was at the Gravity show at NEC, and I'm going to post a picture up of something that I saw on the Artec welding stand right here. It was an aluminium hat. Now, credit to the owner who made this at one of the other Fab lads. I don't know him personally, I've got no affiliation with him whatsoever, but absolutely credit where it's due. That thing was sick, so sick. I'm going to build one today just because I just need one in my life. I need one in my show cabinet. So I will put his name up on the screen. But yeah, here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to sacrifice good old LUK hat. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. What I'm going to do is if you look at a hat, how it's made, it's individual pieces that are all stitched together. Same with the peak, the front bit, all the sides, and then obviously the bobble on the top. If I get a standard lid and I pick all this stitching out, it should leave me with individual pieces. Now obviously I'm going to ruin the hat anyway, so yeah, apologies to LUK. I could do this to a nice NAWFABZ hat, but I'm not going to chop one of my own hats up. But my own hats are incidentally available from the merch shop if you want one. We're going to cut this up into individual pieces, and I'm simply going to trace it onto a piece of aluminium. This has just been upstairs for God knows how long. It's mucky as hell. It's going to need some good cleaning when I've got all the pieces. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to de-stitch each individual piece of this hat. I'm going to trace it out into this aluminium. I'm going to cut each individual piece out, and I'm going to weld it together. And by the end of it, we should be left with an aluminium version of that. This might be a fail, this might work, I don't know. This is the best way I can see of doing it. Sacrificing a hat, giving each individual pieces. I'll label each piece, which one it is, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how it goes. First things first, let's de-stitch this hat. So that took me, what, probably 3 minutes to pull that all to pieces. So a lot of that scrap, that's like lining and stuff. These are the parts that we're going to be interested in, and I've got them all labelled up here. I did label them 2 and 3. Now, I don't know if to leave that in one piece or try and separate. I mean, individually, when it were made, it would have been 2 pieces. I might pull that to bits yet. But yeah, so that's going to be front 2, 3. There's number 1, there's number 4. And obviously also the peak, we're going to need to do the peak. Now I'm going to trim a lot of these bits off because a lot of these are obviously I'm going to weld it together, so I'm not going to need the little overlaps like that to stitch it. But yeah, that's basically the basic shape. And I'm hoping this is going to be really easy. Just simply trace each one of these individual pieces out onto this aluminium, cut them out, clean them up, weld them together. How hard can it be? Let's find out. Right, I've made a right old mess, but I've now shaped each individual one of these parts, which are all still number labelled. I think what we need to do now is I need to figure out which one's at fronts and which one's at backs, so I can peel this off and then I can write what they are at back. Start sort of bending them into shape and start attacking them together. First things first, clean them up. So yes, apologies, I know this is the randomest video I've ever filmed, but I seen it at the show. Hats off to Josh Leach who made one. He did it better, but he inspired me to have a go. This one sadly is not available on the merch shop, but them ones are if you do want one. We'll see you in the next video.